Good morning, everybody. So this morning I'm going to make an egg food, soft food and egg food recipe for my birds to help them get their babies raised and to start their breeding season. And this is for both grass parakeets and canaries. So to begin with, we add couscous to our little bowl, and then I put about a cup and a half to 2 cups of water in the couscous. I then add a teaspoon of coconut oil. And I like the organic virgin coconut oil. Get me a little teaspoon here. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of thick. It smells good. It's really good for the birds because it's an antibacterial. It's very nutritious. And I think it's also antifungal, but I'm not sure about that one. Okay, so I let this bloom, stir it around, melt the coconut oil into the couscous, and then let the couscous bloom and soak up all the water. And then I have some probiotic here. I like the Necton probiotic. And I also have some calcium. And this is Necton 2. Necton mineral supplement and vitamin D3, which they need for a hen to lay good eggs, have good bones. So I'll mix that in there. Just kind of sprinkle it. See how I have it cut at the top on the foil cover at the top. I just take a little knife and make it like pepper, and then sprinkle it into the couscous mixture, and that will be like sprinkling pepper or salt on something. So it's probably about a teaspoon a piece in the couscous and coconut oil. Then over here I have the Missing Link Avian Color and Shine. It's got flaxseed and omegas and yucca and protein and dried kelp, which is really good for your birds, all your birds, finches included. And the finches, like this mix too. And then during breeding season, to get everybody going, or if I want to breed some birds, I'll put a little bit of Fertivit, just one little spoonful. It comes with a little spoon in there. I'll put 2 of those little spoons in a good size thing of couscous and egg food. And then when you get all this mixed up, you put the egg food and your frozen veg of choice. And you can either spin your frozen vegetables up in a blender or just leave them whole and let the grasskeets or canaries chew them up, which I think they like to do. So I don't blend mine very often in the blender, except for peas for the canaries, because I've had canaries and finches stick a whole pea down a baby's throat and kill it. So there you go. And that's it. And I'll show you the mixture when it's done.